Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use iPad as second monitor on Windows PC. So to do this, you will need to use an app called Splashtop Wired X Display, which allows your iPad to function as an extended or mirror display for your Windows desktop or laptop. Start by opening a web browser on your PC and search for Splashtop Wired X Display in the URL above on the search results. Click on the official link to Splashtop's website. So once you're on the site, download the version for Windows. Once the download is finished, run the setup file in your downloads folder and install it on your PC. Now move to your iPad and open the App Store. In the search bar, type Splashtop Wired X Display and download the app that matches the name. While the app is downloading, use a USB cable to connect your iPad to your Windows computer. Make sure to trust the device on your iPad when prompted and enter your passcode to complete the connection. Once the iPad is trusted and connected, launch the Splashtop app on your iPad. Open the desktop version on your PC as well. Your PC screen will quickly adjust and your iPad should begin displaying an extended desktop screen. To manage how your iPad works as a display, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Here, you will see both your primary monitor and your iPad listed as connected displays. You can choose to extend your display, duplicate it, or even reposition it, depending on how your physical setup is arranged. For example, if your iPad is physically placed below your main screen, drag its position accordingly so you can move your cursor and windows in a natural direction. Now you're ready to use your iPad. Just like a second monitor, you can do a lot of multitasking like dragging over browser, windows, running a separate video, or keeping an eye on chats or documents while you work on your main screen. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.